Hello, I'm Tim Ware with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, iptruck.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about a 2021 Isuzu NPR HD Crew Cab Gas with an open body landscape. Let's take a look at the cab real fast. This is a cab over axle, which means you get that great turn radius, great for maneuvering in those small parking lots in city streets. This, like I said, is a crew cab, so you do have the second cab here, which seats 4, 3 in the front, 4 in the back. Let me go ahead and open this door up so you can just see how roomy that back seat is. This is an Isuzu Gas, so it is the V8 6.6 liter gasoline engine, 350 horsepower. As you can see, Isuzu has all your standard features of automatic doors, windows, locks, AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth. This particular one has the remote side and heated mirrors, which it has controls above your visor here. You do have, much like the single cab, the middle seat folds down into a workstation. Like I said, it's automatic, has plenty of cup holders for your whole crew. Let's get out and take a look at that body. This is an open body landscape, which features a 14-foot flat with a 5-foot taper, giving you 19 feet overall. A few key features on this Wil Ro body is, one, this right here is a little cubby for your refreshments. Keep your guys hydrated while they're out there working for you. You got straps to keep it in. This right here on both sides, the sides fold down for easy access to the bed. Each body will be featuring an underbelly toolbox that is lockable for all your tools and straps, anything you need to keep locked up. This is a split dovetail, and to show you that, we left one up and pulled one down. You do have this corrugated mesh lining all the way up the ramp in the dovetail. You will see that there are 4 heavy-duty D-rings, which is great for strapping down your ride-on lawnmowers or any other machinery you want to put back here. The headache rack features this storage bin, which had latches on both sides, and then you also have these pockets for your rakes and shovels. This is a great utility truck for your landscape needs. I'm Tim Ware with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, iptruck.com. Please like this video, follow our YouTube channel, that way you get all the updates on all our upcoming upfits and new releases. Thank you and have a great day.